This is the Sog PowerAssist EOD model S67. What it's known for is its double assisted knife blades. There's a straight edge blade there, and there's a serrated edge blade there. Okay, if you need to open a knife blade, it's so easy. Okay, both of the blades lock in place. The release is located in the handle. Push it down and then you close the blade. On the other side of the tool and underneath the comfort grips, there's a few more tools. We've got a 3-sided file, a can opener with a small flathead screwdriver on the top. We've got a large flathead screwdriver, and we have a C4 punch. The tools are held in place individually by Sog's piano lock system. You can open the tools and lock them in place individually. You can release them individually as well. In the middle is a blasting cap crimper, and the pliers used a double geared compound leverage system. These pliers are strong enough to cut pocket change in half. The Sog PowerAssist EOD model S67.